Hello, I'm Barry Moniak. I'd like to talk to you for a moment about Ed Rigsbee's Speakers Boot Camp. I've been a member of NSA for about 16 years, and one of the things that I've come to realize is that the best speakers are also writers. Another thing that I've come to realize, the speakers who speak the most often do a really good job at marketing themselves. Now, a lot of us think that, well, I'm a speaker, I present, so I'm going to just start knocking on doors and calling people and presenting to them who I am and why they should hire me. And as most speakers know, the success rate of that approach is not great. Ed showed us a different approach. Every one of those organizations, associations that we would like to speak in front of has some kind of publication, whether it's digital or printed. And they are constantly looking for content. So rather than knocking on the door of the meeting event planner saying, hey, hire me because I'm better than everybody else, he suggests knocking on the door of the publisher or whoever handles their media and say, hey, I've got some interesting articles that I think your audience would appreciate. Well, we're not selling anything, we're offering something. And if our writing content is good, which I suggest it should be, then we've gotten a foot in the door. Then we can say, well, if you liked what I had to write, your audience might like what I have to say. Who would I talk to about speaking at one of your upcoming events? Now, he goes a step further to help people understand what might we want to be writing about that would be extremely relevant to those people publishing. So if we know what they want to hear about in their media publications, that's just an amazing opportunity to impress the right people in the easiest way possible. So, good speakers write, speakers who speak often do an amazing job of marketing, so why not write articles that these organizations would love to have, and then we've got a greater opportunity of actually speaking to those audiences. You will not go wrong spending a few days with Ed Rigsbee and some of his cohorts that just give an amazing insight how to do this speaking marketing thing intelligently. Have a great year.